Mumbai-based Storm Motors designed and developed this cute little two-door, two-seater electric car with three wheels and a nice large sunroof. This cute Storm R3 can run with a top speed of 80 km per hour, which is best suitable for your daily commuting. The car having some cool features like front suspensions, a fully customizable dashboard, and a triple touchscreen interface with voice and gesture controls. The car has cargo capacity of 300 liters at front and 100 liters at rear. The R3 has two different seating options, a normal two-seater or a three-seater with two long seats and a small seat in the middle. The chassis is made with high-strength steel space frame. The Storm R3 has an onboard charger, supports Type 2 charger for fast charging. These Type 2 public chargers are available all around India. It can be charged in 3 hours. Cost per kilometer is only 40 paise. Coming to its technical specifications, the Storm R3 works with a 15 kW high efficient motor and has a maximum torque of 90 Newton meters. It has a single speed inline gearbox with 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal and Sports. The Storm R3 comes with 3 range variants: 120 km, 160 km and 200 km. The car gets power from a lithium-ion battery pack which has lifetime of 1 lakh km. The curb weight of Storm R3 is 550 kg. Braking system is front hydraulic disc brakes and rear drum brake along with regenerative braking system. Inside the car there is 7-inch high brightness touchscreen, 3-point seat belts, 4G connectivity with GPS and onboard navigation. For infotainment, IoT-enabled continuous monitoring system, gesture control shortcuts and much more. It is available in 4 different colors: white, red, grey and blue. For detailed features of this car, please check the link in the description. When compared to a conventional car, Storm R3 is 400% more efficient, 80% less maintenance, 3 lakh savings in 3 years and 3 tons of less CO2 emissions. The Storm R3 price is 4 lakh rupees. Pre-orders will be taken from the Mumbai metropolitan region. Due to COVID-19, Storm Motors delayed the launch and pre-order schedules. Mostly the pre-orders to be started in the second half of 2020. The Storm R3 is a great performance two-seater electric car in this price range with some amazing features. Go green, go electric. Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.